Hi, I'm Carrie with BTOD.com. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and a first impressions of the Regeneration by Knoll. This is how your chair will arrive if you buy directly from Knoll. It does weigh about 28 pounds, so you may need help carrying it. It does have helpful handles on the side, but you could also use a dolly. There's minimal assembly required when putting this chair together. Let's get into this unboxing.
Feels pretty solid.
So far, just looking at the arms, I'm not a fan.
The seat is a little thinner.
Cushion's pretty comfortable. A little bounce to it.
I would say I generally fit in this chair. The seat height does go down low enough for me.
It looks like arms are just height adjustment. Not sure how I feel about these pads. They're a little firm, kind of small.
One thing I'm really excited about is the 270-degree sitting. So I know that the chair is formed this way to be more comfortable to sit like this. And honestly, it's not too bad.
Do it like this? Okay. Decent range. Should help for short people. I feel like this would be a good chair for someone that's petite.
The back, to be honest, it's like, it's quite comfortable.
What else we got? Seat height adjustment. Oh, goes super low. Wow, and super high. Good range.
It's an okay chair. Probably wouldn't be my first choice.
All in all, it's not my first choice, I would say.
Pretty comfortable chair actually. Just first impressions. Feels like a decent, well-made chair too.
And that was the unboxing and first impression of the Regeneration by Knoll. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Also, if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thanks for watching.